Do you think slow and steady can really win a race? Let's find out in this simple and fun story. Welcome to Easy English Stories, stories that help you learn English while enjoying great lessons from the past. Once upon a time, in a green forest, there was a fast and proud hare. He loved to run and he always said, "I am the fastest animal in the forest." The other animals were tired of hearing this. One day, a quiet tortoise said, "I will race you." Everyone laughed. A tortoise? Racing a hare? But the hare accepted. The next day, all the animals came to watch. The race started. The hare ran fast. Very fast. The tortoise moved slowly. Step by step. The hare looked back and laughed. "The tortoise is too slow. I can take a nap." So, the hare stopped and slept under a tree, but the tortoise didn't stop. He walked slowly. He walked quietly. And he passed the sleeping hare. When the hare woke up, he ran again. But it was too late. The tortoise crossed the finish line first. Everyone cheered, and the tortoise smiled. The moral of the story is, slow and steady wins the race. It's not always about speed. Patience and focus are powerful too. Now, let's see if you remember the story. Who was fast and proud? The hare. Who wanted to race the hare? The tortoise. What did the hare do during the race? He took a nap. Who won the race? The tortoise. What is the moral of the story? Slow and steady wins the race. Let's review some words from the story. Listen and repeat. Forest, hare, tortoise, race, nap, slow, fast, finish line, steady, win. Great job! Now you know a fun story and many new English words. If you liked this story, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more simple English tales. See you next time on Easy English Stories.